The Cars Show! Yeah. Sarge's recruit. Attention, soldier! You need to pick up the pace. You better have a good reason for telling cars to speed through town. Of course I do. I've started a training camp for cars that think they're tough. Luigi and Guido want to be my first recruits. Bet you had several recruits for the last few years. Oh, really? And last month. Last month! Don't get me started.
There, Luigi. Guido, please, get out of the way.
No, this is a summer area.
Okay, I'll quickly make that turn.
What exactly are you training them to do? I'm training them to be tough. The cars who come to my camp will find out what they're made of. Scrap. Sup, TJ back again? We're glad to see you back, TJ. You're just in time to join my new training camp. Oh, that's nice. But I'm not here for any training. You misunderstood me, soldier. That wasn't an invitation. That's why I've been fair. That was an order. Go. Okay. Oh no. I might get a flat tire driving here. No complaining. You're a 4x4. You're meant to go off-road. Now come on! Don't worry. You can still do it. Guido is much smarter than you, and he is just fine. Besides, if anything can happen, he cannot help. He can change tires faster than anyone. Oh no. It's so cold. Ugh! Told you now it's cold. Look at Guido. If you move fast like him, you don't even notice the cold. Okay, team, it's time for the final drill. We're going down the slope and across the mud puddle. The hill is very steep, and it would like mud will go on my rims for a very long time. You come for this, soldier. You would make courage to get that to the end. Okay. Ooh, I'm going to flip over. Brakes, brakes, brakes. Hey, what's so funny? I'm dirty. I'm tired. I need a new paint job to fix all these scratches. But I did it! Yes! Good job, soldier. I am proud of all three of your recruits, and most of all, I am happy that you had stuck with it. Now it's time to hit the wash.